Rosemary, with its robust and distinct flavor, not only enhances the taste of various culinary creations but also provides a plethora of health benefits. This herb is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from harmful free radicals and promote overall well-being. Rosemary has been known to improve digestion, stimulate circulation, and support a healthy immune system. It is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in reducing inflammation and alleviating joint pain. Additionally, the scent of rosemary has been associated with improved cognitive function and memory retention. From roasted meats and vegetables to soups and sauces, rosemary can be used in a variety of dishes to infuse them with its delightful aroma and flavor. Sprinkle it on roasted potatoes, add it to marinades, or steep it in olive oil for a fragrant herb-infused dressing. The versatility and health benefits of rosemary make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The use of rosemary lends a distinctive and aromatic flavor to any dish, whether it is sprinkled on sausages, grilled meats or fish, or even roasted chicken. Rosemary not only enhances the taste of dishes but also provides various health benefits. So why settle for bland foods when you can make them more flavorful by adding rosemary? Watch all the full, quick and healthy recipes on this channel.
All the advantages of lobster and the best ways to prepare it for a meal. Lobster.